Just a return visit to our large mobile compliant log cabin in Manchester. The electrics are done, the log burners fitted, the solar panels are fitted. Finishing antique pine paint, pre-painted doors and windows black. Black lighting's a nice detail there. Wrap around veranda, 2 meters, a lovely little feature. And I like these spots. The external lights the way they come on, motion sensors. Go inside, look around. The rebated lights in the ceiling. Latest edition, the log burner has just been fitted. Galvanised conduit. 200mm insulation in the floor. And the roof is 95mm solid logs, as you can see from there. Of course, we've now got a kitchen fitted. Utility room with all the solar panels in there. Side door entry. Bathroom. Master bedroom. And spare bedroom. To be finished. 15 meters by 6.8 meters. Let's build the home of your dreams. Timber building specialists.